right, special thanks to this company for sending us their HQ051 drone. Nice little toy drone here. That's the side, company name on the top, company name on the bottom, the other side, and the back just kind of shows you a bit about the device. So the HQ051, let's open it up. Thanks again to them for sending this to us. Take it out of here. Look at that. Manual. All right, that's it. So, nice little user's guide telling you how to set it all up and resetting it and use it. And then this is the little drone. Wow, it is so cool and tiny. Very cool. A little on-off switch there. So that's the drone and the 4 propellers. We've got the battery and charger right here. Some extra propellers and a tool to work on it. And lastly, the remote. Now, the remote does not come with the batteries needed. So you will need to get batteries to put in this remote so you can use it. This rechargeable battery is for the drone itself. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show to you. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.